Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Azure Storage Explorer and signing in with an Azure AD account. This ties your local app to the cloud. Once done, make sure you have the subscription ID and the target storage account name at hand because you will attach resources immediately. Begin by launching the app, selecting Sign In, and granting the consent prompt. This lets the Explorer enumerate blob containers, file shares, queues, and tables. You are now ready to attach or browse storage resources directly. Once signed in, attach storage by clicking Connect and picking Subscription, Resource Group, or paste a SAS token for a single account. Use the subscription path to see everything at once. Navigate to blob containers and either create a named container or open an existing one to browse objects. You can drag and drop files to upload, create folders, and set an access tier, hot, cool, or archive, so you balance performance versus cost. Make sure to monitor transfer progress and confirm file integrity. To finish, download files or copy secure URLs by right-clicking items. You can edit metadata, properties, and set container public access if needed. When sharing, generate a SAS token with exact permissions and an expiry to avoid overexposure. After confirming operations, disconnect unused subscriptions to tidy the UI. If something goes wrong, check your network and firewall. Then verify Azure role-based access control permissions. Make sure your account has storage blob data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.